You eat food every day, but your body doesn't just use it directly. Somehow, it turns that food into energy. And the process is actually pretty crazy. Hi, I'm Uncle Mitchell, and today I'll be talking about how does your body turn food into energy. The whole process starts with something called digestion. When you eat, your body breaks down food into smaller molecules. These smaller molecules depend on the type of food you eat. For example, carbohydrates are then broken down into glucose, which is a type of sugar that your body uses for energy. Glucose is used for energy, but not all foods are used for fuel. Proteins, for example, are broken down into amino acids, which are used to build and repair tissue. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, fats into fatty acids, but glucose is one of the main sources of quick energy. Now, after digestion, glucose enters your bloodstream through the small intestine. From there, it travels through the blood to reach cells all over the body. Once inside the cell, the real energy process actually begins. Inside cells, glucose is used in a process called cellular respiration. In this process, glucose reacts with oxygen to create energy in the form of a molecule called ATP, which is short for adenosine triphosphate. ATP is like the energy currency of the cell. It powers everything from movement to thinking. So here's a silly question. Why does oxygen matter? Well, it explains why breathing is so important. Without it, you couldn't break down the glucose and produce the energy you literally need to live. So here's a quick recap of everything that I talked about this video. So the process goes something like this. We start off with food, which breaks down into glucose, which then enters the blood, moves into cells, and reacts with oxygen to produce ATP, which is the energy for the body, which powers everything in your body. Your body is constantly turning food into energy just to keep you alive. And if you want more health science topics explained simply and short just like this, then I recommend subscribing down below. I hope you like this video, and bye!